USA 1 Industries. I've got an inner cab corner and an outer cab corner for the 73 to 87 Chevrolet and GMC trucks. I just want to show you exactly how much metal you get with one of these when you need to do some rust repair. So we've cut off the existing cab corner and we've got the bed off so we can get you a real good angle. You can see exactly what all of that is shaped like. So putting the replacement panel up, it's pretty much going to go in and you will cut that inner cab corner out, and this will go right back in its place to replace all of that metal there. This one didn't need the cab corner, the inner cab corner replaced this time, but the outer cab corner did. So this is your standard outer cab corner. Kind of made a lineup mark right here, and it's going to go in and replace all of the cab corner. So you can find both of these at USA1Industries.com.